Hello friends! Is your cruise control behaving strangely? Maybe it won't activate, or it suddenly stops working? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0588, this means there's an issue with the cruise control vent control circuit high. This could be caused by a faulty solenoid, a wiring problem, or a failing cruise control module. But the big question is, where is the faulty component located? Let's find out. What is P0588? The P0588 code stands for Cruise Control Vent Control Circuit High. This means the ECU is detecting excessive voltage or an open circuit in the cruise control vent solenoid, which helps regulate vacuum pressure in certain cruise control systems. Common symptoms of P0588 cruise control not working. Cruise control disengages randomly, check engine light, CEL, is on erratic acceleration or loss of speed control. Cruise control buttons become unresponsive. If these symptoms sound familiar, let's locate the problem. To diagnose P0588, check these key components. Cruise control vent solenoid. Location: near the throttle body or inside the cruise control actuator assembly. This solenoid controls vacuum pressure, allowing the system to maintain cruise speed. Cruise control module. Location: under the dashboard or in the engine bay near the firewall. This module manages the cruise control system's functions. Vacuum hoses for vacuum-operated systems. Location: connected to the intake manifold and cruise actuator. Damaged or leaking hoses can disrupt cruise control function. Brake pedal position sensor. Location: above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. A faulty sensor might mistakenly disengage cruise control. Wiring and fuse box. Location: fuse box under the hood or dashboard. Damaged wiring or a blown fuse can cause voltage spikes in the circuit. Common causes of P0588: faulty cruise control vent solenoid. The solenoid may be stuck open, causing excessive voltage. Damaged or disconnected vacuum lines. A vacuum leak can disrupt the cruise control function. Blown fuse or bad relay. If a fuse related to the vent solenoid is blown, the circuit may show high voltage. Brake pedal sensor issues. If malfunctioning, it can send incorrect signals, disengaging cruise control. Wiring problems. Corroded, shorted, or disconnected wires can cause a high voltage error. How to fix P0588? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for additional trouble codes. Step 2. Test the cruise control vent solenoid. Replace if stuck or unresponsive. Step 3. Inspect vacuum lines. Replace any cracked or disconnected hoses. Step 4. Check the brake pedal sensor. If faulty, replace it. Step 5. Inspect fuses and relays. Replace any blown fuses related to cruise control. Step 6. Check wiring and connectors. Repair any broken or corroded wires. Step 7. Reset the ECU and test drive to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0588 can lead to a completely disabled cruise control system and potential driving inconvenience. Fixing it early ensures smooth and safe driving. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0422, main catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 1. P0423, heated catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 1. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.